Sean and I'm president of Lennox Head Landcare. As a group, Lennox Head Landcare is in a really golden period. We have probably 25 working bee volunteers on the books, of which we get typically 13 or 15 every week, as the others come and go out of town visiting family and pre-COVID tripping around. If you talk to the people in the group, they all put this down to the sense of community, the fact that they know each other, they feel safe with each other, they share the values of walking away feeling they've done something good for their local area. They really have a strong ownership that this is their area and they're making it good for the future.
Well, I'm Jill Brown. I like coming to Landcare because I like the people. I love the land and I've been coming, 7 years? Yeah, it's fun.
At this point in time, our group is working on 10 different sites around Lennox Head and its surrounding area. They comprise 35 acres. Some are original remnants that were threatened by recreational activities, but quite a large proportion of that is land that was highly degraded through timber getting in the 1800s, farming from the early 1900s, mainly dairy and cattle. And on one particular site, which is 15 hectares on its own, was flattened, totally flattened from sand mining.
I'm Malcolm Milner. I live in Lennox Head and I've been with Lennox Head Landcare now for about 22 years. I started in 1999 and the main theme of the Lennox Head Landcare then was to work at Boulder Beach. And the sand mining took place in the 1950s to 60, and in that process they removed all the dunes, they dug up all the sand, they washed it all in the lagoons which they dredged for that purpose. They then processed the sand and then put all the denuded sand back across the area willy-nilly. We started working here probably in '99 and we've been working here ever since. The place has changed terrifically since then. We started just pulling out weeds along the beachfront, but then we saw all these vacant spots further west and we decided they needed to be planted out. So you can see from probably what I'm saying that there's a really lot of interest in working at Boulder Beach, and it's really got me hooked, and I really love coming and working here. I do work with other areas in Landcare, down at 7 Mile Beach and around the lake, which are also important to me, but I believe we've got a huge responsibility now to restore as much of the natural bushland as we possibly can all around the country. And Boulder Beach is just a small part of that, and it's a part that I can play a part in and helping to restore.